A probability chart or table is another way of showing all results or possible outcomes. The chart is quite clear and concise. You can see all outcomes at one time. The downfall to it, though, is that you can only use 2 events. So let's try answering a question using the table. Sam has 3 pairs of pants, jeans, sweatpants, khakis, and 4 shirts, t-shirt, sweater, button-up, sweatshirt. How many different combinations can he wear? Let's begin by placing our information into the table. Let's put his pairs of pants across the top and his shirts down the side. To fill in the rest of the table, we simply follow each column and row to see what combination of pants and top he matches. You can now use this information to determine the probability of any specific outcome. For example, if you want to know how many outfits can be worn with sweatpants, you would simply look down the column of sweatpants and see that there are 4 options. Likewise, if you knew the weather was going to be warm and you wanted to wear a t-shirt, you could follow the row with t-shirt and determine how many options there were that way.